Hello traders, welcome back. Today, we are sharing break and retest. Its original price is $59 and we sell in just $20. Read reviews by yourself. Visit us on Telegram for more information.